Well, the impeachment trial for suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton will start in a little over 2 weeks. But just last night, the Senate released thousands of pages of evidence.
And it's giving new insight into allegations that Paxton abused his office to help campaign donor Nate Paul. Capitol correspondent Monica Madden looks closer at what the documents reveal.
Shocking, egregious, and blatant. Those are some of the words former top Attorney General aides used to describe conduct when Paxton allegedly used his office to help real estate investor Nate Paul. House managers dropping 4,000 pages worth of interviews, emails, and other records that they say support their case for impeachment.
The House managers have clearly done their homework.
In one interview, a former deputy attorney general says Paxton was literally obsessed with helping Paul, tying up already thinned resources.
These are the most senior lawyers in the Attorney General's office. Those are the kinds of warnings that you would expect a politician to heed.
Former trial lawyer Mike Golden says prosecutors might have a compelling case.
Pretty important as the state's chief law enforcement officer to avoid the appearance of impropriety.
The documents also claim Paxton used his office to help Paul access a sealed FBI search warrant for Paul's properties.
For the head of that agency to take deliberate steps, assuming that it's true, right? Assuming the allegations are true, to take deliberate steps to avoid the scrutiny of the public records law that his office is designed to enforce seems to be a particularly egregious use of his resources.
Earlier, Paxton's legal team asked to dismiss all 20 impeachment articles, arguing the House did not have enough evidence and denying wrongdoing. Now senators have more to consider, just 2 weeks before the trial. Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And Paxton's Senate impeachment trial is set to start on September 5th. That's when Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick will rule on pretrial motions and possibly when senators could vote on whether to dismiss any of the articles. Paxton's wife, Senator Angela Paxton, is not allowed to vote during the trial.